All right, so if you're setting up Windows 11 and you don't want to connect to the internet or sign in with a Microsoft account, here's how you'll do that. So first you'll go to yes here. Okay, choose whatever region and keyboard layout. We're gonna say yes again. We're gonna say skip because we don't want to add another layout. So it will tell you to connect to a thing. To skip this, what you're gonna do, you're gonna push Shift and F10. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Let's try. Nope. Okay. Shift F10. Oh, hold on. I think the keyboard's off. Okay. I was wondering. I was like, nothing's happening. Okay. We'll turn that on. Okay. Now, hopefully it's... Okay. Shift F10. And we get this. What we're going to type is, we're going to turn on caps lock here, and we're going to type OOBE backslash BYPASS bypass NRO, which is like probably network registry something. So you do that, press enter. It'll do this just a moment thing. Give it some time. Then it's going to go back through the whole setup process again. And once it finishes this, it's going to have the option to skip the network setup. So here you can see it's restarting itself. All right. It's going to go back over to the same setup as before, but this time it's going to allow us to bypass the network setup. So here you'll see it's taking a while to load. All right. Give this a bit. Almost there. And come on. This thing's taking a long time to load. It takes longer than the initial setup. So I'll just wait for this. Here we go. All right, you see Windows 11 is starting up. It'll go back to this, same thing, yes. I guess technically you don't have to go through this the first time. You can just press Shift F10 right away. We'll skip the keyboard layout thing again, and here you can see I don't have internet. Before it wouldn't even give you that option. Continue with limited setup. All right, accept the whatever agreement. And now you can just enter your regular username and then just go through the rest like you would set up Windows normally. That's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.